to Italy anyway. Thank you, Howard. 73, good morning. Enjoy the rest part of your day and have a nice week. Bye-bye. Thank you. 20 dB over speaking. 20 dB over 9 speaking now. 73. CQ North America. This is India Uniform 2. India Delta Uniform calling and listening.
November 8, November Kilo.
November 8, November Kilo 59 plus 5. Start. Back to you, over.
QSL. You are also 5 dB over 9. S9 plus 5 dB. In the state of Michigan. Over.
Thank you so much for Michigan. Thank you for nice report. That's 73. Enjoy the rest part of your day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
By CQ North America, India Uniform 2, India Delta Uniform, calling and listening.
He's got a YouTube channel. He just got done announcing that he was recording and he'll be streaming this to YouTube in about an hour, or uploading it to YouTube in about an hour. I felt like telling him to please visit my channel, my dump. Please visit the Michigan landfill. 10 meters is banging wide open today. Where are you at today? I tapped the stop button twice. Where are you at today? Get on 10 meters. Bye, guys. And by the way, guys, 2 mornings ago at 8 a.m., I spun my knob through 120 kilohertz of 10 meters, starting at 28.525. I quit at 28.405 before I even hit the sweet spot. Who did I hear on 10 meters at 8 a.m.? LZ2, Echo William 2. I heard M0 and G3. I heard an Italian station, an RW1, an SM5, a PA3, a DK9. In Germany was just pouring in at that time. So is England. So were all of them. The LZ2 was strong. 8 a.m., it had just gotten light here in Michigan. Oh my God. And guys, what happens after 10 meter closes and before 10 meters opens? Yeah. I jokingly say, why do hams hate 15 meters? But I not jokingly ask you, when's the last time you operated on 15? So many hams have never. They sit and wait for 10 meters to open, while 15 meters is wide open to the world. When's the last time you operated there? I hope you're well. I'll be back. I have a little bit of electronics I want to talk to you about. Bye, guys.
North Cacti, Fred. 54 South Texas, Fred. Hey, Fred. 10 over 9, PEI. You're taking 59 on Ireland.
Wow.
51, Montana.
Why do you hate 15 meters? The greatest contact I ever made in my 49 years as a ham happened on 15-meter CW. These are some big signals. Hope you're well. Bye, guys. Come on, phone. I hope you're well. I do mean that. I hope you're well. Bye, guys. Come on, phone.